Hello comrades, this is Dr. Sitta and today I'm going to show you how to apply job in Australia. And remember, this is an interface of our website, and this is a log, and you have to be careful because some lot of websites are fake, so you have to be careful. This is officialized website in Australia, so you have to pay attention. Yeah, if you are interested to apply in Australia, then it's your time to chase your dream to become really. Before I dive in inside, so I request you to follow my Instagram page so that once I post any video, then you can be the first one to receive notification. So you can see this is my official account in Instagram, so please follow this account, then you can learn more about how to apply job in abroad. So, and there is a part one and the part two of how to apply job in Australia. Then and any country you wanted to see, so you can watch part one or part two, then you can get some idea. So before I wasting your time, so let's go let's dive inside of this website I have prepared today. So open your Chrome or your Google account and or any browser you are using and type this name connecting.com. So once you search it, it will show the interface like this. So you can see this is the interface as I told you before, and this is the log, and you can see here this is a employer, mean the company or the organization. Yeah, you can access from here. And here the job seeker, the meaning of job seeker, if we don't know, is that is you, like you are looking job, you are wanted to apply a job, you are searching job, that is a professional name, it's a job seeker. And here visa application, once you get admitted here, and the following is job applicant, visa applicant, sorry. Visa applicant means the process you are going to get the permit. You are going to, let's say you are going to Australia, because this is websites based about Australia. Yeah, so we can go another step to see this is free employer, and this is submit your vacancy, the job you are applying for, and this is apply for visa sponsorship. We will base about this apply for visa sponsorship. This is our main content today, like how you can get a sponsorship job. And this is submit your resume. So your CVs have to be professional, you have to be looking European CV. So for those that don't know the meaning of European TV, you have to go Chrome and search what the format of European or Europe CV, then you will see. Do not use your low CV to apply this job. You have to use Europe CV, and that is a professional CV for abroad in, let's say, in close all the country. Let's say let's put in term of abroad country, they use Europe CV. Yeah, so here you can see the visa assessment, you will check the status, everything. So let's dive inside so that we can apply step by step. So let's click click your interface here, then it will show you like this one. There is apply now, there is read more. So here read more means if you wanted to know more about that job you are going to apply, then you have to click this read more. Let's click together and we see what you have. You can see here they have put a lot of description, a lot of summary detail. There is summary, job description. They have put everything, requirements, and here you can this side you can see apply now. Then if we wanted to apply, then you can apply, but I please recommend you to do registration of your account, then it will be easy for you to fill your detail. Let's try here and you can see what will it tell us. So you can see you can fill your detail here from here. Let me try to zoom in and out here, so you can see here. Get my point? You see? This is the interface of the website, and let's go back to this. So we can try to search another job. Let's say you are going to search, let's say cleaning. So you can see here, this is the job available for those they are looking for cleaning. You see here, and you can see they have put it even amount per year. So this is in terms of dollar. So you can see here, so you can convert it to your currency and you can note what is the exact amount you get in your salary amount. And the good thing is you can put your email here and you create alert job. What the meaning of alert job? If there is any new job they have posted on this website, then you will get a notification. You will be the one who getting the notification like there is available again new job in connecting.com. So it's very, 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 very easy to apply, and it's very simple. So it is your time to chase your dream to become real. And let's try to search another job. We can try to search driver. Even if you don't have any experience, please, you can type the job which is do not require the academic paper. Let's say cleaning, there is a warehouse, there is a caregiver. There is a lot of jobs they don't want academic paper. And also one day, maybe upcoming day, I will teach you how to get caregiver paper. There is online website where you can register and you can get a academic paper like caregiver paper, like academic certificate, I mean. So you can use that certificate to apply job in any abroad country where they offer caregiver job. So today let's focus our project is here. So you can see this is the job driver. It's a lot of job but they are available, guys. So it is your time to take your time and to apply step by step. I think you have get some knowledge about this job, how you can access it. So please, I wanted to request you, please follow my Instagram account, then you will get notification once I post any new video or any related about job or scholarship or anything. So please follow my Instagram account, and we will go together and we will make the dream become really. And let's focus now. Okay, let me try to teach you here. Sorry. Okay, we can come this side. Let's base about here. When you are applying, please focus about the visa sponsorship job. This word is very important when you are applying job, especially for abroad job, because you will escape a lot of cost. If you get sponsorship job, means there will be responsibility for everything. Let's say ticket cost, there is travel cost, maybe they will provide also housing, all stuff. The company will be responsibility. So it's your time to take action from now. Do not sleep inside in your house. Please wake up and chase your dream. See you guys the next video. I think you have get some knowledge how to access international job, and if you didn't watch the part 1 or part 2, please watch below, scroll down, watch and take your action. See you at the next video.